following linear equations coincide with the line 4x plus 5y equals to 15. Now if these are the four options: 8x plus 10y equals to 25, 2x plus 3y equals to 7, 7x plus 14y equals to 17, and 12x plus 15y equals to 45. So these are the four equations which we have to check whether they coincide with this line. Now what do we mean by coincide? Coincide means the ratio of coordinates of x should be equal to ratio of coordinates of y should be equal to the ratio of the constants. So check all the options. First, 8x plus 10y equals to 25. So 4 upon 8 equals to 5 upon 10 equals to 15 upon 25. Is it so? First two are okay, last one not allowed, so not there. Next, 2x plus 3y equals to 7. 4 upon 2 is not equal to 5 upon 3, immediately gone. Okay. Third, 7x plus 14y plus 17. 4 upon 7 is not equal to 5 upon 14 and is not equal to 15 upon 17. Okay. Last, 12x plus 15y equals to 45. 4 upon 12 equals to 5 upon 15 equals to 15 upon 45, right? This is the equation original. So does this satisfy? Yes. All are 1 by 3. So D is the equation which coincides with 4x plus 5y equals to 15. Sorry.